Hello and welcome back to ENG ENGINE. This video has analogies. Read the question carefully, understand it, and choose the right answer from the given options. There are 10 questions and the time for each question is 10 seconds. You may pause the video if you want more time. Give it a try and share your score in the comment box. Now to the video. All the best. Doctor is to medicine as teacher is to. Air is to man as water is to. Fragrance is to flower as smoke is to. Air is to sound as oxygen is to. Lungs are to blood as carburetor is to. Turtle is to slowness as dash is to speed. Hill is to mountain as house is to. Peel is to banana as dash is to nut. Scalp is to hair as earth is to dash. Artist is to paint as sculptor is to. Well, that's it friends. If you find this video interesting, give a thumbs up and share. Also don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.